In this video, I'll be talking about how you can make money from social media, which includes Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and any other social media platforms in 2021 without having millions of subscribers or followers and views. I'm going to give you at least 5 different ways in which you can get to make money from social media without having a very large following, and this is going to be much easier than you already think. Now, if you're new to this channel or you're watching one of my videos for the very first time, my name is Ian and I post videos here on YouTube every single day on topics relating to making money and personal finance. So if you'd like to see more of these videos, then give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to this channel and turning on all notifications. And that way you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post a new video here. Now, before we talk about the actual ways to monetize social media, you first need to decide on which platform you'll be using. Now, you can go ahead and use them all, but although it sounds very easy, it's going to be a lot harder to try to be consistent and make money from them all when you are just first starting out. So I would recommend that you choose one to start with. Maybe you like TikTok more, or maybe it's YouTube, or maybe it's Instagram, but choose one to start with. Also, you want to find someone or some people who are already in that niche that you'll be going into, who are already very successful, and you should follow these people. The reason you should follow them is because they already made it. They are very successful in what you're trying to accomplish. So this way you can keep updated on what they do, which helps you to be more like them or find strategies that will work for you. It also helps you in deciding what type of content your target audience will be more interested in seeing. Comment below and let me know what social media platforms you are already on and which ones you have tried to monetize. Also, think about this and tell me, how much money would you like to make per month from social media? Would you be happy with making $100 per month, $1,000 per month, or $10,000 per month? Comment below and let me know. Now, the first way to make money from social media is by doing brand deals. This is when you get paid to sponsor a product or service. This way, it's very easy for you to make money, but it's also very hard to find the right brand deals. So for instance, if you have a social media niche page on health and beauty, then you'd be interested in health and beauty sponsorships. However, if you get sponsored deals from gaming companies, then you wouldn't want to take those sponsorships because your audience wouldn't be interested. You would still make money because you would get paid to promote their products, but you can actually lose followers if you consistently post things that aren't related to the niche that you're in. Also, if you do get approached by sponsors to promote products that are in your niche, then you'll also need to ensure that these are actually good products that work. If they aren't and you promote them, then your credibility is lost and people will stop following you. When you create social media niche pages, and when I say niche, I just mean that it's on a particular topic. When you create these accounts, you'll get sponsors from time to time. I actually get a lot of potential sponsors who want me to promote products on this channel. However, most times they aren't related to making money and personal finance. So for that reason, I've declined most of these sponsors. To make money here, you can follow the 1% rule, and I spoke about this in a previous video, but this is when you base your cost on 1% of your audience. So if you only have 1,000 followers, then you should charge $10 at the very least for a sponsored post. And if you have 10,000 followers, then it's $100 at the very least. So this should give you an idea of how much money you can make from sponsors on social media. So if you have about 1,000 followers, which is what the average social media user has right now, then you can get paid at least $10 for a sponsored post. And if you get 10 sponsors, you can make $100. If you get these sponsors to repeat their post with you once or twice, then you can double or triple this amount. As your page grows, so will the amount of money you make, and you can do this without having 1 million followers or even 100,000 followers as you may have previously thought. Now, the second way to make money from social media is my favorite way that I've been talking about all week, and hopefully you would have heard about this so much that you will actually try it today or tomorrow after watching this video, because I've been telling you about this all week. This is affiliate marketing. If you hop onto a popular influencer's page or a YouTube video, in the description or a post or bio, you will see a link to some third-party products. For example, I have links to WEBULL, M1 Finance, SOFI money, and Discover on all my videos. If someone watches my videos on these and they like the products, they can use the link to sign up, and the incentive for them using the link is that they get something that they like, and they also get some free cash just for using that link. I also get some free cash. So without doing any additional work, if people use your affiliate links, you can make money. What if you don't know where to find affiliates in your niche though? How do you actually find them? Well, there are affiliate networks, and these you can join, and they will allow you to search by niche and find affiliate programs, and then you can easily match with affiliate programs that you'd like to promote. There is ClickBank, there is CG, which was known as Commission Junkie before, and there is also AWIN, or Affiliate Window as it was previously known as, and I'll leave links to these below so you can use them to find affiliate programs in any niche that you want to get into. Now, the good thing about affiliates is that the earning potential here is unlimited. Get as many people to purchase a product or use a service, and you can get commissions for as long as you can convert them. If you want to have an idea, check the links down below in the description of this video. I have a few affiliate links below. Now, you don't need to purchase anything or sign up for anything, but you can look at them and click to see where they go and just see how simple this actually is. Also, if you're wondering about the affiliate networks I just mentioned, don't worry, they won't cost you anything. They aren't like the internet gurus who tell you that you need to pay $99.99 for information to make money. They're all free to join, and also these affiliate programs will pay you anywhere from 1 to about 60% in commissions. My Amazon affiliates averages to be around 5%. So if people use my links and make total purchases of $10,000 per month, then around 5% is my cut, and that is about $500. And if you're thinking that $10,000 is a lot of money, yes, it is, but when you have 1,000 followers and they're purchasing random things using your affiliate links like TVs, laptops, expensive weaves, and I didn't know, but I've seen weaves of over $6,000 in my affiliate dashboard, and that's just one single purchase. So people purchase things that cost a lot of money, and you get commissions. So it sounds like a lot, but it isn't, and this is very, very realistic. Let's move on to the third way of making money from social media. This is by selling an ebook with actual useful information about your niche. Now, I said actual useful information because in the past, I've probably bought 25 or more ebooks from online gurus, and every single time, I mean every single one I bought, and I'm not over exaggerating here, every time the books had nothing of value. They were useless. Now, when I say useless, they actually had good content, but it wasn't anything that I didn't already know from simply Googling questions. So if you're into fitness, don't create an ebook and tell people that, hey, if you want to get fit, step 1 is to exercise regularly. Obviously, they know that they need to exercise regularly. Instead, give them information that they won't likely get anywhere else. Break down what types of food to eat and why, and tell them when is the best time for them to exercise for fat loss versus muscle building and things like that. So you're already into a niche and you know about the niche, so whatever it is, you can create a 25+ page ebook, and I'm saying 25 pages here at the very minimum because you want to give a lot of value in this ebook, and then you can promote it on your social media platforms. Now, ebooks are also very inexpensive. Most ebooks sell for around $3.99. Now, before you mark this idea off your list, think about how much ebooks you can sell. If you sell one ebook, then this isn't a big deal because you only made $3.99. However, if half of the people who follow you or half of your new followers purchase your ebook, then you could be into some serious money. Think about this, right? Let's say you're the average person and you have 1,000 followers. You sell 500 ebooks at $3.99. You would have made $1,995, so that's $2,000. $2,000 from selling a very affordable and useful or valuable ebook. If you're building an audience, then you will keep getting new followers. If you average getting 100 followers per month, which is very low compared to what you can get, because usually if you're consistent, you'll get somewhere around 300 to 500 followers per month on the lower end. But let's keep it simple and say you get 100 followers per month. If half of these new followers who were already interested in your niche decide to purchase your very inexpensive ebook, you'll be making $199, so this is $200 really. This is if you only get 100 followers per month. If you're getting 300 and upwards, the money earned here is easily tripled. Now, for creating an ebook with knowledge that you already have and then getting passive income from it, I think this is a really great way to make money from social media in 2021 and beyond. Comment below and let me know your thoughts on this one. Number 4 on this list is managing or creating social media accounts for other people. So this is an entire niche in itself, and here you'll have to reach out to people on social media and try to get them to pay you for managing their social media accounts. And this sounds hard, but it actually isn't. Mainly, smaller businesses will like to outsource this. They want to be on social media and they want to be consistent. What they also don't know how to, or they don't have the time to, and if they were to hire a marketing professional full-time, it would cost them too much money. So instead, this is where you come in. You can charge them a couple $100s per month to make a few posts and manage their social media accounts. So for example, if there's a donut shop around and they aren't on social media, or even if they are but their page isn't up to date and it doesn't look good, then you can offer to change that for them in return for an agreed amount every single month. Now, before you approach someone, it's best to create your own social media pages and accounts, and this way you can show them that you have experience in managing pages that look well, have quality content, and you also consistently post. Now, the average cost to manage 2 or more social media accounts for a business is anywhere from $3,000 to $7,000 per month. However, that is if you already have a lot of social proof and you can show that you have been successful in doing this for other businesses. If you're just starting out, I would offer to do this for way less until you have at least 2 to 3 clients with some social proof that you really know what you're doing and you are actually good at it. So starting out, I would recommend charging anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month, and you can negotiate on how many posts you will make and all the details. Now, the 5th and final way here is to sell all the knowledge that you now have. So let's say you do all the things I just mentioned in this video to make money from social media, and I hope you do. You can now create a course on making money on social media because you've actually done it, you're successful, and people can see that you're successful and they'll want to be just as successful as you are. Now, this course can be a mix of ebooks or webinars, and here you no longer have to charge only $3.99 for your course. You can now charge $399 because you already made a lot of money and you have proof that you are consistently making money, and people will know that you actually know what you're talking about. So this is the last step and this is the easiest. If you look online right now, many people who are successful on any social media platform have a course on how to become successful on that platform, and these courses are usually around $1,000. So if you manage to sell yours for $399, which is on the lower end, and you sell 100 of these in a year, and I hope you sell much more than that, but if you only sell 100, you would have made $40,000. That's actually a full-time salary for someone somewhere right now, and this is passive income. So these are all 5 easy ways to monetize your social media accounts for 2021 and beyond. If you want to learn more or you want to speak with me one-on-one, then you can find me on Instagram, and that link is below in the description. I hope you guys found this video very helpful, and if you'd like to see more of these videos, then give this video a thumbs up, as that's the way these videos get recommended to more people here on YouTube and can potentially help someone out as well, and I'll really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos here on credit cards, banking apps, savings accounts, investments, personal finance, ways to make money, and much more. Also, if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications for this channel, and that way you'll be able to get the updates when I post new videos. And remember, I'll be posting a new video here every single day, and I'm also leaving a couple links down below to free stuff, free cashback offers, and links to free resources that I just mentioned in this video. So be sure to check all the links down below in the description for all kinds of free stuff. Once again, I hope this video was very helpful. All the best with making money on social media in 2021 and beyond, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.